Hello friends, today I'm doing unboxing of our phone that I've got also from Best Buy, and it was a used one. So I got our phone from, which is iPhone 8 Plus, and it's a used one from Best Buy. So it came in this packaging. Inside it's a phone, and they also give me this, which is Pure Talk USA Simply Starter Wireless. I don't know, I have to check them. So my iPhone, I use different box, like not original, but it says iPhone on it. Here. Sticker. Let's open it up. So it's supposed to be iPhone 8. So here it is. Wow. And they gave me also charger. Charger looks like this. Okay, so it's normal one, standard I think, USB one, and then iPhone. I've got in the rose gold color, which looks like this. I wanted iPhone 8 Plus or maybe iPhone higher, but higher iPhones are expensive. I got iPhone SE, but still deciding maybe I will keep this one instead of iPhone SE. So this one looks like this. It was used, so it has some scratches but not big ones. I already unboxed it in past, so I will show you. It's already open, and it wasn't like full setup. It was just quick. Didn't have to do much because it was used. But I really like the display, which is 5.5 inch, and I like brightness of it. And it's so nice too. It's very sensitive and easy to swipe. It's also really fast phone because it has A12 chip inside. With our iPhone, I've got even 1 year of Apple TV for free, and I could access it, but I didn't see very much stuff. And here I have some apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. When it comes to camera, it looks like this. Camera. Too close. And when it comes to camera, photo it'll use 2 lenses, so the photo is a little better quality. It also has portrait mode, in which you can change settings. Like in newer iPhones it has that mode, but problem is that it's only for this camera, which is not for selfie camera. Because in iPhone SE you have selfie camera and you can make yourself portrait mode, which has nicer bokeh in background, and in this one you can only do like this, and then you don't even see where you are. So I guess other people have to make it. So yeah, and I still like this phone. Maybe we'll keep this one instead of other one, and other one could return. It's 2 weeks return. So yeah, that's my iPhone 8 Plus unboxing. Used one from Best Buy. Only one also scratched has here on the side somewhere here, but other than that I don't see. Oh, and few scratches, very gentle ones here, but they are only visible like now when you close it. I don't know if it's visible. So main scratch I see only here, and this one is color rose, no, gold color, and it was 64 GB because other one were sold out and used condition. And I also used special financing that I can pay in monthly payments without interest when you use special financing card from Best Buy. Okay, so this is my unboxing of iPhone. What else I can tell you? It didn't come with earphones. When in the description was said that it would come with headphones, but it didn't. So I don't know. If you want to buy used one, even from Best Buy, then be aware that sometimes they don't send accessories like they should. I also want to mention that I've got in dollar store case for this iPhone, which is this kind, clear, and it was only $1, so it was good deal. And you can, I thought it would not fit or something, but it fit perfect, and it's nice. I also got other phone case for this model. Wait, also got this kind, which is also $1 in dollar store. This one looks like marmor, like that nice design. And I've got something like this, which you can, with one bag you can put here or here, regulate, and you can put here your phone. You can put like this, or you can put like this, and then you have some kind of angle. Another thing that I've got is this charger, which is some charger from Best Buy, no, from eBay, and it was charger and cable, but adapter to wall you have to purchase. If you want fast charger, you have to buy adapter. And this one charge 2 phones at the same time. An iPhone 8 Plus have wireless charging. So see, if you put on, even in case, it was charging. See, it's showing charging. So that's cool. And I will charge here two phones at the same time. Okay, just wanted to show you because my phone's still charged, so I'm not gonna charge it now. And it's a really thin one, thin like this. See? And the back looks like this. Wireless charger from 5, 9, you can even 10 watts. Okay, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy such small unboxing or big one for phones. And thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.